Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check Betterment marks. First, ensure you understand the purpose of the Betterment exam and why you're checking these specific results. Next, you'll need to find the official website for your education board. Have your unique roll number and any other required personal details ready before you begin the process. This preparation will make checking your marks much smoother. Once on the official website, look for a clear link or section labeled Results or specifically Betterment Exam Results. Click on this to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter your unique roll number. Double-check that you type it in accurately to avoid any errors. Finally, click the Submit or View Results button to display your updated marks. After viewing your Betterment marks, take a moment to compare them with your original scores. This will help you clearly see where improvements have been made. Pay close attention to subjects where you see a significant increase in points. Understanding these changes is crucial as they directly impact your overall academic standing and final grade calculation. Once you've reviewed your Betterment marks, it's wise to download and print a copy of your updated mark sheet for your records. If you notice any discrepancies or errors, contact your education board immediately, typically within 10 days, to address them. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. They can make meal prep much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.